Little Piper. Nafuna ngimtshela ngeBhayibheli. Nafuna ngimtshela ngeBhayibheli. Lelo mazi uNkulunkulu mazi ukuthi umazi ukuthi yini. Yazi ngesikhathi kwabami bayisebenza kujaji. Besebenza kujaji inganyakhe ilalela yena. Ngoba yena uNkulunkulu wakhe. Ingane yafika yahamba nayo kujaji. Befika kuyena kujaji. Ingane aqedile ipimela ubaba ngapha nangapha. Kanti ingane yakhe ikujaji. Athi Moses no. Weza amazwi amaningi bathi walizwa ilizwi loNkulunkulu. Walizwa izwi lababa wakhe walala phansi.
Siyabonga kakhulu awuspeak izothunyelwa kuwena nomndeni wonke Nkosi yami akumnyama
Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. It is no secret that Babes Wodumo is a pastor's daughter. It was very much evident when she did the unthinkable by taking to the stage yesterday and gave a sermon at her mother-in-law's funeral, Uzamanguni Gumet. And you guys, I guess that was a way for her to say goodbye to her properly. One thing about Babes Wodumo from seeing that video is that she knows her Bible verses and she really can preach, you guys. After all, she grew up in a church seeing her father, who is a pastor, doing the Lord's work, and that is something that she too is really good at. Please do let me know what you think down in the comment section below, and also subscribe if you have not yet done so, because I will definitely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.